Welcome to the Curious Head channel. Here you will find a variety of interesting facts and amazing stories on a variety of topics. Subscribe now so you don't miss any updates. Among all the planets present in our solar system, Saturn is undoubtedly one of the most captivating. In addition to its dazzling rings, Saturn is also of genuine interest due to the number of moons in its orbit, its position as the second largest planet in the system, and its almost exclusively gaseous composition. In case you are even more intrigued by these aspects, discover all the fascinating details of the top 5 facts about Saturn. 1. It is not possible to step on Saturn. A highly intriguing fact about Saturn is its lack of a solid surface, which would make it impossible for any of us to set foot on its soil, even if we traveled there. This peculiarity stems from the fact that Saturn is composed exclusively of gases, predominantly consisting of hydrogen and helium. This characteristic also extends to its rings, as we will explore in the next topic, since they do not have a single surface. 2. Rings are a mixture of ice, rocks, and dust. As mentioned earlier, it is not possible to step on Saturn's rings, but not due to its gaseous composition. When observed from afar, the rings appear to have a smooth surface, but they are composed of a variety of pieces of ice, stones, and dust of different sizes. Some of these fragments can reach dimensions comparable to those of large buildings. The formation of the rings is still the subject of debate, but one theory suggests that they originated due to a collision involving one of Saturn's moons, which may have occurred with another moon or even with the planet itself. The resulting debris continued to orbit around Saturn. A fascinating fact is that parts of these fragments are constantly falling off, which means that Saturn's current rings will disappear within the next 100 to 300 million years. 3. 1 year on Saturn equals 30 years on Earth. Although it is obvious to some, many people are not aware that time does not pass the same way on all planets in the solar system. As we know, a year is the period required for a planet to complete one orbit around the Sun, and some planets take longer than others to complete this complete orbit. For Saturn, one Saturn year is equivalent to 30 Earth years. In addition to being located 10 times the distance from the Sun in relation to the Earth, Saturn also makes its journey through space considerably slower, which results in this striking temporal discrepancy between the two planets. For Saturn is 9 times wider than Earth. When we look at illustrations of the planets in our solar system, it is evident that the Earth is relatively small in comparison. However, you might not know that Saturn is about 9 times the size of our planet, with a radius of 58,232 kilometers. NASA offers a good comparative perspective, pointing out that if Earth were a nickel, Saturn would be the size of a volleyball. Considering the time it takes to travel between different countries and continents on our planet, imagine the time it would take to go around the world on Saturn, if that were possible. 5. The planet has dozens of moons in its orbit. As mentioned earlier, one of the theories suggests that one of Saturn's moons gave rise to its rings, which may have aroused your curiosity regarding the number of natural satellites orbiting the planet. While Earth has only one moon, a very beautiful one, by the way, Saturn boasts an impressive 83 moons around it. According to information from NASA, 63 of these moons have already been confirmed and given names, while the others are still waiting for the process to be officially recognized by the International Astronomical Union. Interestingly, should another collision occur between these moons in the next few million years, Saturn may not lose its characteristic rings, as they would possibly regenerate from the debris resulting from the impact. I hope you enjoyed the fun facts about Saturn. This incredible gas planet continues to amaze us with its fascinating rings, its peculiar composition, and its abundance of moons. If you were intrigued by what you learned today, be sure to comment below with your own fun facts or share your impressions of Saturn. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fascinating content about the universe and its wonders. Until the next discovery.